What are we doing today? Well, the Suburban's had a lot of mud in the radiator and AC cooler and transmission cooler. So in the winter it always ran right about 180 to 200 and never needed to cover the grill or anything. But now it's getting hot out, it's been running when I'm warm. I was towing a car today and every time I would accelerate from a stop, the temp would go up to about 230 and then it'd run about 210, 215 cruising down the road with a full load. Empty, just the Suburban itself, and only ran about 200, 205, but we're going to get it taken care of. I'm pulling out the radiator and we got the pressure washer. We're going to wash all the mud and shit out of it and hopefully it helps it out. I got the radiator out. Look at all this shit on here. Pretty much the whole thing was like this, but I got a lot of it off while I was still in the truck. What a mess. Well, let's fire up the pressure washer.